also to an ATM passing through in clean form. Tight acceleration, solid diesel knock, and a very balanced profile on the line. Simple, functional, regional stock doing its job well. EZT EN57FPS Feniks, a truly legendary unit, it is still running strong on Polish regional lines. Classic design, rough sound, but an unremarkable character, a real icon of the rail. EZT Pesa L2, a modern unit with smooth acceleration and a clean, quiet at ride. Efficient regional performance with a balanced feel on the line.